all in all, it was a great experience. I still get calls from them asking about my health, which is so nice of them to be so considerate even after like 3-4 years. I'm Sana and I'm from Manhattan, New York. I grew up back in India. I feel like I almost always had perfect health, and it's only, I think, when I got here is when I actually started experiencing like health issues. I started experiencing hormonal imbalance, a lot of like inflammation. When I started having health issues, I did not have an insurance. So I was just like, okay, let me try, kind of like, health screenings and tests and see if something works out and I find out what I have. So I was diagnosed with gastroparesis back in 2020, which was through a clinical trial. I heard about the clinical trial due to a pop-up that kind of just came up on my Instagram, and I kind of clicked onto it. I first spoke to the doctor himself, and he just directly asked me if I was willing to travel all the way an hour to come and, be a part of this. I met with the physician assistant, I met with the nurse. They were actually really welcoming. Like, they were all very, happy to answer any of my questions or like tell me what it was about. They were very good with giving me details of every little thing I should know about the clinical trial. The doctor was, I think he was Pakistani. It was just nice to see that there was like kind of diversity back in the clinic as well. So if you're considering to participate in a clinical trial, even if they give you a placebo, it is still worth your time and your effort. You should definitely go for it. I feel the positive aspect of clinical trial is way higher than not getting anything out of it. They gave me like a printout which it said that it was up to me if I wanted, my data to be erased or if I was okay with it being kept in the records. They would kind of call and text to see if I was feeling okay, if the medicine was not kind of giving me any side effects. My experience with the trial was pretty much great. All in all, it was a great experience. I still get calls from them asking about my health, which is so nice of them to be so considerate even after like 3-4 years. And I think it was great. If they had another trial, which they did approach me for, I would totally participate in it.